Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel, or welcome if you're new here. Our Amazon find for today are the fridge, pantry, and cabinet organizing bins. These bins have received 4.7 out of 5 stars and over 20,000 have been purchased in the past month alone. Are you tired of the constant clutter in your fridge, pantry, or cabinets? These BPA-free plastic organizer bins are the perfect solution to streamline your storage and keep your space neat and tidy. Made from high-quality, durable plastic, these bins are designed to last and are safe for all of your food items. With their clear design, you can easily see what's inside, making it a breeze to find what you need. Whether you're organizing snacks, produce, or pantry staples, these bins provide a versatile and efficient way to keep your kitchen orderly. Say goodbye to chaos and hello to an organized, stress-free kitchen. Check out the link in the description box or simply scan the QR code. Like, comment, and subscribe for more Amazon finds.